Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a 2014 Chevy Silverado LTZ Crew Cab 4-wheel drive, stock number E1223PB. 91,000 miles on this local trade. Comes to us with a clean auto check history report, black in color. Silverado is a very safe vehicle, 5-star front and side government crash rating, keeping your family and friends safe and your insurance costs down. Seats 5 with a leather interior. Lots of legroom for the rear passengers. The split seat bottoms flip up for additional cargo space. And rear defrost for excellent visibility. Z71 off-road suspension includes skid plates for protection, locking tailgate, backup camera, and trailering package. That backup camera is perfect for hooking up a trailer without any assistance. Easy lift tailgate. Drop-in bed liner for protection as well as easy cleaning. Step bars make it easy to get in and out, especially for kids or shorter passengers. This LTZ has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, memory settings for 2 drivers, power seat, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel and put you in that perfect driving position. Power moonroof, shift on the fly 4-wheel drive with auto setting, large easy to read gauges with driver information system controlled by buttons on the steering wheel, cruise control, large touchscreen infotainment system for radio. It's also satellite radio capable. Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect to other Bluetooth-enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming. Can sync smartphones, Pandora radio app, navigation, and there's of course where the backup camera display is. Dual-zone automatic temperature control with heated as well as cooled front seats. Keep you comfortable no matter what time of year. Lots of power outlets. Dual glove boxes. Overhead auto-dimming mirror, home-link transmitter for garage door opener, and mirror control. Under the hood, the Silverado is a 5.3-liter V8, 355 horsepower, and just as clean under the hood as the rest of the truck. EPA fuel economy estimates an average 16 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 22 on the highway, and approximately 50% tire tread left. For more information on the Silverado, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.